Okay, open. I will share the screen with you now of the notice writing, and we will be continuing with it. Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आज
Aryan Singh का नाम I have marked.
ओके मैम
Aryan Singh, I have marked you present. Okay, I will share the screen with you. Sit straight, all of you, and sit straight. Stop eating now. Didn't you go the time 5 minutes break?
आप नहीं कहते नानी ठीक हो जाए अरे भाई
नानी की तबीयत खराब है कि नहीं? Okay, mute yourself, all of you, fast. Mute yourself. Be quick.
मम्मी अच्छे पास्ता नहीं बना सकती ना वाले बनाने पड़ते हैं
अरे अपन मैंने हम इंडिया बनने के लिए चीजें बता दिया
प्रॉमिस करता हूँ मैं पूरा आपको मैंने बोल दिया ना मैं बना के दे दूँगा आपको कल पापा को नहीं दूँगी ना आज
भावेश नानी की तबीयत खराब हुई मान यार नहीं कल पक्का बनाएंगे मैं प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ सुन मैं प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ कल बनाना कल तू कल पूरे दिन खाना मत खाइए मैं भी नहीं रहूंगा बस कल पक्का बनाएंगे मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ बस प्रॉमिस मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस करता हूँ मैं आपसे कभी झूठा प्रॉमिस करता हूँ यार एक दिन चाहिए खाली नहीं चाहते ना इसके मतलब नानी ठीक हो जाए
What is notice writing? Notice writing is just a small piece of formal writing in which we only give the necessary information is given. It is always written in passive voice.
मैम कैन स्कैनर इज अ चाइना ऐप
कैम स्कैनर बैन हो गया
मैम ये जो नोटिस का आप दिखाओगे पीडीएफ वो नोटिस के इंस्ट्रक्शन और फॉर्मेट कॉपी में लिखने हैं क्या?
Yes, you have to write it.
ओके मैम
Okay. Now you can see notice writing. See, what is notice writing? It is just a formal means of communication in which we can communicate with the other person by giving a short message about the event or any other important announcement to be made. Now, then the question is, what is its purpose? Now, what is the purpose of writing a notice? Its purpose is to make any kind of announcement or to display any kind of information. Is it clear? As you already know, I explained you yesterday also. जब हमको कोई भी information देनी होती है,
यस मैम
event or a fair or any thing to be organized in the school or any other part, we put a notice. Also, it says that notice writing. What are the important contents of notice writing? जब हम कोई भी notice writing लिखते हैं, there we should keep in mind 6 important points. Before these 6 points, another important point to be kept in mind is yes.
मैम ये इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट्स अपन को कॉपी में करने हैं क्या?
Yes, you have to write it. I will tell you. Just don't worry. You first of all you have to understand what the notice writing is. Okay.
ओके मैम
First important thing is before these 6 points, the most important is that a notice writing should always be in a box. Okay, and notice writing should always be neat and in the legible handwriting. Legible means understandable, जिसको हम पढ़ सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. Neat handwriting. And then when we start writing our notice in the box, on the top first in the center of the box, we write the name of the organization. उस organization का नाम लिखा जाता है which is issuing that notice. Next is the title. Under that institution, we write the heading, that is the title, NOTICE notice. Mute yourself, otherwise I will mute you all. Next is then we write the date of the notice, and just below it, the date is written on the left side of the box. And under the date, we write the catchy heading. हम चाहते हैं ये बताने के लिए कि हम क्या उसको बताना चाह रहे हैं.
मैम किसी के घर से आवाज आ रही है.
I hope it's clear now, all of you. Okay. Then after that, we write the body of the notice. Now, body of the notice means that we in that part we write what do we want to say in our notice, and that should be very precise, clear. It should be in passive voice, and also it should be always written in third person. Third person pronoun हमने पढ़ा था, first person, second person, third person, right? So it should always be written in the third person. And under it we should first put our signature, then we should write our name. It should be in capital letters, and then under it should be written the designation of the person who is writing that notice. For example, if a notice is being written by the head boy, then we write the designation notice. So this signature, name and designation is always written on the left side of the box. And now you can see, before showing this page, I would like to show you a format. See, can you see, everybody? See, first we write the name of the institution as it is clear. Then we put the notice heading, and on the left side of the page we write the date. Then we write the heading of the subject, यानी किस बारे में हमको notice लिख रहे हैं, that either a fair or a camp or any lost and found, कि हमें कोई चीज मिली है या कोई lost हो गई है, and then we leave one line. After that we write the main body. Now this main body should contain only 50 to 60 words. It should be written in third person pronoun, and we should give all the necessary details, like what is the event, यानी कौन सा event है, वो किस date पे होगा, what will be the time of the event, what will be the venue. Venue means the place, that is where the event will be held. After that we leave a line and we give the signature. Below it write the name in the capital letters and then the designation. I hope you have seen this is the format. Okay. Now when we start writing our notice, first important thing is that a notice should always be written in a passive voice. That is, passive voice में होनी चाहिए और वो भी within a box. Word limit should be 40 to 60 words in the body or 50 words maximum. Information जो भी हम दे रहे हैं, it should be clear. That is up to the mark, precise. यानी जितना बताना है सिर्फ उतना ही होना चाहिए. There should not be anything in detail. कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And the notice should not cause any kind of misunderstanding or confusion. यानी हम कुछ भी लिख देंगे तो maybe the person who is reading the notice may not be able to understand. Misunderstanding नहीं होनी चाहिए. No confusion. Like if we are organizing about a fair, we should tell where will the fair be held, when it will be held, and what will be the timings of it. Do we have to pay any charges for entry to the fair, and whom should we contact about to get the entry into the fair. All these kinds of important points होते हैं. It should be clearly mentioned in that body part of the notice writing. Next is catchy and appealing. It means that जो भी हम heading डालते हैं, that is heading हमने बताया था, it should be very catchy. Catchy means कोई भी उसको heading ऐसा होना चाहिए that anybody should be get attracted toward reading what is given in the notice. Also, bold letters should be used, catchy slogans should be used, striking words or phrases wherever they are needed. We should try to use those in our notice writing. And no, first, most important thing is हम ऐसे नहीं कहेंगे I am going to organize a fair. No. Or I am going, I have found this thing. No. You will always use the third person pronoun. Okay. Our school is organizing. A box has been found. something which is it's your third person. हमारा स्कूल, मैं बता रही हूँ किसी और को बता रही हूँ किसी थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में कि हमारा स्कूल, so a school is used in third person pronoun, so we use third person pronoun. Now when we talk about that, there are 5 points to remember, that is 5 W's जो हमको हमारी body में, in the body of the notice we should always include, and these are what is going to happen, यानी हम पहले event के बारे में बताएंगे कि what is the event about, यानी किस बारे में notice है. Next is where it will take place, यानी वो event कहाँ पे होगा. Then और वो कब होगा, that is उसमें we will also clearly mention the date and also the time. Next is who can benefit from that information. It means that कि जो event है वो किसके लिए है, for whom, किसके लिए है, for the students of a particular class or for all the students or all the students of IT or the students of or the students of the whole school or whatever notice. That is who can benefit from that information, यानी वो information किसके लिए. अगर suppose you are organizing a tour of 5 days for the student of class 6 to 8, अगर आप यही mention नहीं करोगे that this tour is for the student of 6 or 6 to 8, then how will the student come to know? सब जने पहुंच जाएंगे, because it will not be clear to them. So there should not be any kind of confusion in the notice writing. Everything should be very clear. Also whom to contact, it is also very important part of the notice writing. ये बहुत जरूरी होता है. Actually what happens many times, the details which are provided in the notice are not clear to the readers every time. Some of the other students might have some kind of problem. So if it is also important to write in the end of the notice that whom should the first people contact if they have any queries regarding the notice. So these are the 5 important WH points which should be kept in mind while writing the body part of the notice writing. I hope it's clear. See, I will explain you now. This was the format. See, again I have tried to show you one more in which you can see I have written ABC Company. That is, it is the name of the institution who has written the notice. Any kind of name, you can write the name. If the notice is from the school site, you can write the name of the school or anything. Then in this, it is notice is written under it, but you will write it above the date. हम date से पहले लिखेंगे, and under it we will write the date. Then we will write a subject which is a heading of the notice, which should be catchy. Then comes the body part. And in the body part, as you can see, we have written the reason for writing the notice, relevant event and occasion information, information about date, time, venue, all can be mentioned in bold. That is bold मतलब ये होता है कि suppose कोई important part होता है, हम उसको bold में या थोड़ा darken करके भी लिख सकते हैं. If it is a printed notice, ताकि वो जो viewer है can easily catch that important point of the notice. That is why it is said that sometime date, venue and time should be mentioned in bold. It is said. And then we write the signature, name in capital and the designation. I hope it's clear to everybody. सबको समझ में आ गया? Everybody has understood? Okay. Now, what you all will do is, now open, everybody will open page number 31 of their books. Page number 31 of your books. Everybody open page number. I want to see that everybody has opened a page. Okay, very good. It's all about notice writing. Is it clear? And in this, everything which I've explained you is mentioned over here. Now, about the marking scheme of notice writing is that you will always get the notice writing of at least 4 marks, in which 2 marks will be of the format. Format means हम इसमें ये बताएंगे, that is the name of the institution, notice, date, heading, and in the last we write about the name, signature, and designation. All these comes in the format. Now, out of 4, the 2 marks will be only for your body content. Now, what does this body content? इसमें हम ये सारी details देंगे. And apart from this, there will be also these 2 marks will be for body content and expression. Now, what does this expression means? Harsha, are you listening? Sit down at a place. Stop moving your screen. And also expression. Expression means that while writing the body part, are you using the correct grammar? Are you using the correct spellings? And are you using the correct punctuation marks? Grammar, spellings, and punctuation marks, all these are also very important. Blocks are made, name of the school and office or in capitals, and notice writing, date, heading or the subject, body content, signature line and all. Then it is all explained, content and expression. As I told you, content मतलब क्या होता है? Content and purpose of writing the notice, which I showed you in the PDF right now. Half marks are also deducted at the time if you do not put the notice in the box, and also half marks if you cross the word limit. Next, you can see in your book itself, page number 33. Everybody. Kanish, are you looking into your book? Are others looking number 33 of your books? Everybody, I want to see that everybody is doing their work. Sujal, sit down. Sujal. Yeah, show me your book, whether you are open with your book. Okay. What about others? Pari, do you have your book in your hand? Okay, very good. Now, you can see one example is solved on page number 33, which I will read it for you and also explain you all the points which I told. I will show you that how they are clearly mentioned in the book. Okay. And then there are 2 more exercises for you to practice on page number 34 and 35. The first is on page number 33. It is a notice writing informing the students who are going to arrange a 2-day educational tour to Amritsar and Wagah border for the students of class 7. Okay. Writing a notice, you have to put all the necessary details within the box. And who are you? You are Pallavi Bansal, the head girl of Saint Stephen's Convent, Champi. Is it clear? First important point is that you will write the name of the school on the top. Saint Stephen's Convent, Chandigarh. Then you will write down the notice, NOTIC, which is written in capital, as you can clearly see. Next is, the heading is written above the date, but you will write it below. First, you will put the date on the top. December 6, 2018, the date is written. You will write the current date. Okay. Then you will write the heading or the subject, which is educational tour to Amritsar and Wagah. Is it clear? Now, then you will start writing this body part, which should be of 40 to 50 word limit. Third person, passive voice, head girl to the students. So head girl is the first person, and it is giving she is giving the information to the students of the school. But now about this information is given to the head girl from the school itself. So she is using the third person. Our school is organizing a 2-day tour to Amritsar and Baga border for all the students of class 7 from December 12th to 14th. Now date is also mentioned. हम कुछ sentences को combine करके one sentence भी बना सकते हैं. That is the class and date. आप देख सकते हो class और date को मिला करके they made one sentence. This will be helpful in using our word limit while writing the note. So हम ये बताएंगे school is organized today to where यहाँ पे दे रहा है that is Amritsar to Wagah border. That is for the students of class 7 December date, and the student then we will give the necessary details like अगर हम date पूछेंगे जाएंगे किस time पे जाएंगे, right, and what will be the charges, do we have to pay any charges for going, and all the necessary details that whom can be contact. And it says that student will go by a deluxe bus in the company of Mr. Rajat Sharma. Along with the parents' consent form by December 10th. अब अगर हमें parent consent form मंगा रहे हैं या फीस मंगा रहे हैं, it should be the date should be prior to the date, and then we always write this one particular line. For detail, contact the undersigned. That is, अगर हमें और भी details चाहिए तो हम Pallavi Bansal, and it is the signature, and then Pallavi Bansal in capital, it is the name written, and then the designation, it is the head girl. I hope you have understood. निर्भय समझ में आ गया? छवि कंदर आ गया समझ में? Are you having your book छवि with you? इशिका पलक आ गया? Nod your head, I can see you. आप अपना head nod करो अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो सब जने. Okay. नहीं आया? पर if you promise to do not make any kind of disturbance, I can unmute you. Yeah.
मैम
Yes.
पूछना था कि जैसे कि इसमें हेड गर्ल लिखा है तो क्लास का स्टूडेंट लिख रहा है, जैसे कि मतलब 8th क्लास का कोई स्टूडेंट लिख रहा है तो वो नीचे क्लास 8 लिखेगा.
नहीं नहीं most of cases लिखते हैं. In that case, maybe the undersigned person is a student itself. Suppose एक student has lost his lunch box and he want to put the notice on the notice board. Okay. In that case, if that particular notice is written from the student itself,
सिग्नेशन क्या होता है?
post designation मतलब होती है post.
ओके मैम.
मैम
Anybody
एक बार
wants-
आपकी स्क्रीन दिखा दो, स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
I will show you. Just don't worry. I will give you everything. But for the
Okay,
time being,
ma'am.
have you understood? समझ में आ गया सुजल आपको?
यस मैम, समझ तो आ गया.
on page number 34, there is a notice writing in which a computer literacy camp is going to be organized in our school for 15 days. Okay, sorry. Chandni, open your video. RN and Shivraj, open your videos. A literacy computer camp is going to be organized in our school for 15 days. As Arman Qureshi, that is the person who will be writing the notice, is Arman Qureshi, that is the head boy of DN International School, Patna. You have to write a notice informing the students of 6th grade. And then you have to put this notice in a box, and the word limit is 50 to 80 words, out of which, as I told you, you can take 20 word limits of 20 up for the format, and 40 to 50 will be for your body part of the notice writing. I want all of you to write down right now in front of me. All of you start writing in front of me, and nobody will put their videos off. I want to see that everybody is doing. And do it in the book itself right now. Everybody. Okay. I will give you 2 to 4 minutes to write down the notice, and then I will see to what have you written and ask you to read what have you written. Very good, everybody. Start. Page 34.
Okay, ma'am.
Start writing. Very good. Everybody good.
Ma'am,
Keep your videos on, everybody. Everybody.
मैम डेट कुछ भी डाल दे क्या?
You can write today's date, and you can put the notice that is the literacy camp will be after 4 to 5 days start हो जाएगा, or you can take a gap of 10 days gap ले सकते हो. Like today is 14. You can say the camp will be starting from 24 or 20. Ishika, where are you? Are you writing? Ishika? Yeah, very good. Good.
मैम लिखना किस पे है?
In the book itself. In the book itself. Everybody will do it themselves. Pari, open your video, beta. Chandni, Soni, Yuvraj, Jori, open your videos. Let me see if you are doing your work. Harshit Gupta, Aren, Devansh, Karishma. Okay, very good. First will be name of the organization. And on the left side, below it you will write the date, today's date, which is 14/7/20.
मैम मैंने डेट 12/7/20 डाली है.
Okay, but if you are doing today the work, you have to put today's date, no?
ओके
And
मैम
then-
today डाल.
Okay, and then the next line you will write the heading. Like हमारे में कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है, you can write a computer literacy camp.
अनुराग
Okay,
मैम सिर्फ इतना ही लिखना है, कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी कैंप.
yes. Okay, and then you will start writing the content.
मैम वो जो हमारा वो है कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी कैंप, इनको भी कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही लिखना है.
No, no, in running first one will be capital and then you will be writing it as a heading. हम heading कैसे लिखते हैं? First word capital and next in the running writing.
5 to 6 लाइन्स ही लिखनी है ना.
Yeah, 5 to 6. That's it. But they should you can combine two sentences together to reduce your word limit, right? Write it so that you can tell me anybody who has written. Anybody who would also like to read out? Anurag, write it down fast, beta. Kritika is writing, Bhumika is writing, Varsha, Vaishali, Nirbhay writing. Karishma is also writing, Palak writing. Pari, Archita, where are you both? Quick, 5 minutes are left. Anybody has written either one or two sentences? किसी ने लिखा है?
यस मैम.
मैंने लिखा है.
मैम मैंने लिखा.
Okay, what is your name?
चित्रा.
कृतिका.
What?
कृतिका.
Chitra and Ritika. Okay, Chitra, read first. How you have started the notice writing?
Ma'am, PM International School notice of computer literacy camp
Notice.
July.
What? Make a complete.
मैम उसकी बॉडी रीड कर दूं बस.
हाँ, sir, body part.
Okay, ma'am. A computer literacy camp is being organized by our school for classes 6 to 8. It will start from 12th July and extend till 15 days. मैम अभी इतना ही लिखा है.
Okay, very good. Next, anybody else? किसी ने लिखा है? Starting की है?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak up. Give your name first.
Ritika.
Okay, Ritika.
A computer literacy camp is going to be organized in a school for 15 days, i.e. 14th July 2020
to 28 July 2020. Timings are 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Students of class 6 to 8 are informed to collect fee. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
And your homework will be that you have to write down the next notice which is given on page number 35. Okay. All
मैम
can
मैंने
notice
कर
down.
लिया.
our school for 15 days for classes 6 to 8 from the date 16 July 2020 to 25 July 2020. Timings are
And
मैम इतना ही लिखा है अभी मैंने.
okay, it's very good, Komal Meena. You have written the best. And also you can add one more line for details. Contact the undersigned. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Anybody else would like to read? You want Ritika Kalwani? You have read it. Anybody else? Sujal, आपने लिखा है कुछ? Anybody else? Sujal, आपने लिख लिया? निर्भय, आपने लिखा है? Ritika, only one mistake was in your that you have not mentioned the correct 15 days. नहीं डाली थी आपने 16 to 20 लिखा है ना तो 24 को gap 15 days नहीं है. Okay, but making sure you enter the correct date. Okay. Mika, you want to read it? Mika, Nirbhay, anybody of you want to read? Okay. Savi Kangar, are you there? Savi. Hardik Swami, are you there? I hope you have understood what the notice writing is.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that you all, your homework is that you all have to write down the notice which is given on page number 33 yourself. Okay. Notice on page number 33, you have to do it yourself. Okay.
class.
I'm asking last time if anybody wants to read the notice. Anybody of you want to read your notice?
मैम
हाँ?
टाइमिंग में क्या लिखे? टाइमिंग
Writing?
टाइमिंग
Diary? मतलब be loud.
मैं कह रही हूँ कि टाइमिंग्स में क्या लिखेंगे? इसमें लिखा है मेंशन डेट टाइमिंग.
Timings you will mention that कि ये जो camp है ये किस time period पे चलेगा. You can mention that this camp will be organized in the school seminar hall from 8 to 12 or 8 to 1 o'clock during the school hours. This is how you will mention it. Okay?
I want to read.
Yeah, read it.
A computer literacy camp is going to be organized in our school for 15 days. It is organized from 17 July 2020. This camp is organized for class 6 to 8. If you want to take participant in this camp, so give
If you want in
600
anybody, any interested student, okay, any interested students,
your class teacher with the parent consent form.
okay. Timings, please. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now
Yeah.
our school is organizing a company and 2 July. It is for class 6 to 8. The timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 2000 per person.
And timings, और ये कहाँ होगा, venue, what about venue, that the camp will be held in a school seminar hall or from 8 to 12 or 8 to 1, something like that, or 10 to 12. And please, for further details, you can contact the undersigned. Yes.
Ma'am,
We'll
मैंने
be doing this topic again in the next class. Okay.
जल्दी कर
Okay. Good day, all of you. Bye.